Welcome to Steamax's EnviroCare. Join us as we showcase the making of our advanced biomass burners. Let's take you behind the scenes to see how our biomass burners are made. A CNC machine cuts high-grade metal sheets to create the outer casing of the biomass burner. The processed sheets move into the assembly. Each panel is aligned and prepped for forming the burner casing, maintaining exact specifications. The corners and rough edges of the sheets are smoothed for a perfect fit during assembly. All panels are aligned according to the design, forming the outer casing of the burner. Skilled welders ensure a strong, airtight seal across the structure. Once assembled, measurements are taken to mark holes and attachment points for components such as ducts, jacketing pipes, and other auxiliary parts. Holes are cut into the casing to accommodate additional components. Each hole is then ground to provide a smooth surface. The fire outlet casing is assembled and integrated with the main burner casing. This ensures a connection capable of withstanding extreme heat conditions. In parallel, the hopper for biomass fuel feeding is fabricated. This component ensures a continuous fuel supply. The interior of the burner casing is lined with high-quality fire bricks. These refractory materials provide insulation and enhance the burner's thermal efficiency. Fire plates are installed inside the burner casing for controlled flame distribution. All surfaces are smoothed to prepare for the attachment of air vents, ducts, and pipes. Now, the burner dome is attached to complete the top casing, designed to withstand both pressure and high temperature operations. Jacketing pipes are fitted along with a butterfly valve to regulate air inflow, which contributes to burner performance. The hopper is connected to a gearbox and motor that drive the screw feeder to feed biomass fuel. The screw feeder is installed, allowing the transfer of biomass from the hopper to the combustion chamber. Before delivery, the biomass burner undergoes rigorous testing to validate its efficiency, safety, and compliance with industry standards. This 12 lakh kilocalories per hour biomass burner is a testament to engineering excellence and innovation, designed to deliver unmatched performance in industrial applications.